Proper filing of IT returns can be a tricky task. A lot of the people are in the dark regarding financial prudence when it comes to declare their income or file their annual returns. The confusion around these usually increases if there are some changes in the policies too. With barely 15 days left to file the IT returns for assessment year 2022-23 without penalty, it is high time we got ready for this. Today, we will briefly talk about a few common mistakes to be avoided while filing returns this year to avoid any last-moment hassles. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our portal. Number 1. Don't anticipate extension of the deadline. Last few years have seen an extension in the deadline for filing returns due to COVID-19. It would be unwise to think of an extension this year, since there have been no talks about it so far. Also, the servers or website of the IT department may crash or go through some technical snag as the last date approaches. So, our first advice would be to not delay it and to not wait until the last moment. Number 2. Hiding multiple Form 16 details. This should not be done as the AIS, that is Annual Information Statement, now captures details from several Form 16s. In fact, one may tend to gain if they disclose details of previous Form 16. Also, there are many who forget to claim HRA exemption, especially those who have worked with 2 or more employers in the past. Number 3. Declaration of cryptos as an asset. After the Union Budget announced a 30% tax on cryptos from the next assessment year, more confusion has been created. However, a better way to declare cryptos as an asset this year would be to declare it in the Assets and Liabilities section under ITR 2. Number 4. Be careful with pre-filled details. One shouldn't blindly approve the pre-filled details, but assess them before filing their returns. Often, joint account holders in banks and mutual funds find the information mentioned in both of their returns when ideally it should be taxed only for one holder. So, one should be careful in this regard. Number 5. Omitting the details of capital gains. The income from shares, property sales, etc. comes under capital gains. It is mandatory to mention capital gains or losses in the income tax return. If the taxpayer fails to mention any such profit or loss, it may lead to a tax audit. These were 5 mistakes which, in our opinion, must be avoided while filing IT returns this year. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our portal. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.